Beginning the journey of woodworking is like unlocking a new way of seeing the world around you, a lens through which ordinary materials are transformed into functional beauty. For beginners, this path is not just about learning how to use tools or follow designs. It's a journey of continuous learning and meaningful output. Woodworking allows individuals to blend craftsmanship with creativity and opens doors to both personal satisfaction and practical outcomes. Whether it's to enhance one's living space or to start generating income, starting with simple, approachable projects is one of the most rewarding ways to build momentum and confidence in the craft. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. Whether you're into handcrafted furniture, smart storage, or cozy aesthetics, we're here to inspire you. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of 20 easy woodworking projects ideas for beginners to upgrade your modern home and for selling. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The modern home, with its emphasis on clean lines, organization, and purposeful design, provides the perfect setting for woodworking projects. In fact, one of the most motivating factors for beginners is the ability to create immediate upgrades to their own living environment. A handmade shelf or side table not only fills a space, but also adds character and a sense of ownership to it. Unlike mass-produced furniture or decor, handmade wooden pieces come with a story, an energy, and an essence that enriches the home. Woodworking for beginners doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, the key to staying motivated lies in choosing projects that are both achievable and useful. These early efforts help reinforce skills like measuring, cutting, sanding, joining, and finishing. Each piece crafted builds confidence and offers tangible proof of progress. As beginners navigate through their first few projects, they begin to understand wood as a living material, how it reacts to the environment, how different species behave, and how finishes can transform not just appearance, but longevity and utility. In the beginning, there's a sense of humility and experimentation. A project that starts as a humble planter box might become the catalyst for a series of creations, each more refined than the last. A basic coat rack, for example, might inspire the learning of new joinery methods, or a small storage box might evolve into more complex cabinetry over time. What starts with curiosity often deepens into a desire to keep learning, improving, and creating. The beauty of this journey lies in the dual purpose it serves, creating for self and creating for others. For the modern home, these simple projects provide comfort, organization, and aesthetic appeal. But they can also become a source of income when shared with a wider audience. Handmade wooden items are increasingly valued in today's market, both because of their durability and their uniqueness. In a world overrun with plastic and mass production, wood speaks of quality, tradition, and timelessness. Selling handmade items doesn't have to begin with a big operation. Many beginners start small, sharing projects on social media, selling to friends and family, or setting up small booths at craft fairs. The response can be immediate and inspiring. People love the idea of owning something that's made by hand, that's been thoughtfully constructed, and that offers something no store-bought item can. It's not just about the object, it's about the process, the story, and the connection to the maker. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. What makes this even more appealing is the practicality of many beginner-friendly woodworking projects. Items like wall-mounted key holders, entryway organizers, minimalist nightstands, or wooden trays are always in demand. They serve everyday purposes, look good in modern spaces, and are small enough to be made efficiently in a home workshop or even a modest garage. Each finished piece teaches new lessons, from tool handling and material selection to patience and precision. Additionally, working on such projects develops an intuitive sense of design and proportion. A beginner soon starts noticing the small details that distinguish a good project from a great one: smooth edges, seamless joints, balanced dimensions, and appropriate finishes. This awareness continues to grow with every build, leading to not just technical improvement, but a more refined creative vision. As woodworkers gain confidence, they begin experimenting with variations, modifying dimensions, trying different types of wood, incorporating stains or natural finishes, or even combining wood with other materials like metal or resin. These experiments lead to greater originality and the ability to develop a signature style. And as the body of work grows, so does the potential to market it more broadly, whether through online platforms like Etsy, social media stores, or even personalized commissions. The deeper reward, however, isn't just in the sale. It's in the process itself. Woodworking, even at its simplest, demands a mindfulness that's rare in today's fast-paced world. It requires presence, measuring accurately, cutting carefully, sanding patiently. These quiet, focused moments often become meditative. Many find in woodworking a kind of therapy, a release from stress, and a reconnection with the physical world. This meaningful output, a tangible result born from time and attention, stands in stark contrast to the ephemeral nature of digital content or fast fashion. There's also something uniquely satisfying about problem-solving through woodworking. Sometimes, a project doesn't go as planned. Cuts may be off, pieces might not align, or finishes don't appear as expected. But each mistake becomes a lesson. Each adjustment sharpens the woodworker's instincts. This journey of trial and error isn't a setback, it's an integral part of the learning curve. And with every solution found, the builder becomes more resilient, skilled, and confident. Woodworking also builds connections, not just with customers, but with other makers. Online communities, forums, and local woodworking clubs become places of shared learning and mutual encouragement. Beginners discover they're part of a larger tradition, one that spans generations and cultures, rooted in the universal human desire to create, build, and improve. What begins as simple, easy projects for modern home upgrades or small-scale sales grows into something far more meaningful. It becomes a journey of growth, both personal and practical. It's a craft that teaches patience, sharpens the senses, and rewards diligence with beauty and utility. Each project completed is a milestone, a reminder of how far the maker has come and how much potential still lies ahead. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked easy woodworking projects ideas for beginners to upgrade your modern home and for selling. In the end, here are 20 beginner woodworking project ideas to inspire your crafting journey. Birdhouse, a simple design that introduces basic cutting and assembling techniques. Picture frame, create a custom frame to display your favorite photos. Wooden coasters, cut and finish coasters from plywood or hardwood. Simple shelf, build a floating or wall-mounted shelf for added storage. Planter box, construct a rustic box for indoor or outdoor plants. Wooden spoon, carve a spoon from a block of wood, learning basic shaping techniques. Key holder, design a small wall-mounted key holder with hooks. Cutting board, create a functional and decorative cutting board from hardwood. Storage box, build a small box for organizing craft supplies or trinkets. Bird feeder, make a simple feeder to attract birds to your yard. Wine rack, construct a basic rack to hold a few bottles of wine. Step stool, create a small stool for children or decorative use. Serving tray, craft a tray with handles for serving food or drinks. Candle holder, design a simple holder for tea lights or taper candles. Bookends, make a pair of sturdy bookends to organize your books. Wooden blocks, cut and sand blocks for children to play with or for decorative use. Desk organizer, build a small organizer for pens, papers, and office supplies. Puzzle or game board, create a simple puzzle or board game for entertainment. Wall art, assemble wood pieces into a decorative wall hanging. Coat rack, design a wall-mounted coat rack with hooks for jackets and bags. These projects will help you develop essential woodworking skills while creating useful and attractive items. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified